Hi guys, welcome back to another timeless reading. Today's reading, how do I strengthen my connection with money? Know that money is just an energy, just like everything else there. But these guidances can actually help you to get more of what you need when you need it. Learn from spiritual experiences. Know that um, a lot of people that have built something, that have planned to building a legacy, those people started from basically nowhere, and they have worked their way up from there. Also know that you have got many talents. Use different talents to do different things. All of those can actually help you to connect stronger with money. Thank you, guys.